Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and it was requested for me to show off the platform that I'm using to make all of these lovely YouTube videos. So the platform is called Tella, and here it is right here. I'm sharing my entire screen. What you are able to do within Tella is record little clips of your audio that then come together and make an entire video. So for me, when I'm scripting out my different videos and highlighting key pieces of information that I want to make sure make the cut, I don't have a teleprompter, and I am not great at memorizing lines and reading them back to you. So what I'm able to do is just remember little sections of that script so I don't leave out any good pieces of information, the value that you're all looking for in these videos, and I just record clips at a time. So here's how it works. I can stop recording right here, and then I simply click on Add Clip, and I'm able to record another piece. After you record your clip, you can click on it and then trim it down so you can see where I'm talking. I can shorten this. I can take little clips. Yay, candid photos. But I can split the clips. I can do all sorts of things. Once I've adjusted the clip size, right? So like the amount of things that I want in here, I can click done. And then you can add zoom features. I really like this because I often, actually probably always, share my screen in our videos, and especially when I'm sharing screenshots of ChatGPT or even our product, our Interact dashboard, I'll want to zoom into key parts of our quiz maker or what we're putting into ChatGPT, because when you're looking at the screen totally zoomed out, you may not, especially if you're new to these tools, you may not be able to follow as well, right? Like, where did she just click? So I really like the zoom feature. You can play your video, click add zoom, and then as it plays, requested, there you go. Zooms right. Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and it was requested for the target. So where do you want the screen to be zoomed into? And you can also adjust how much it zooms and also the speed at which it zooms as well. When you have your zooms set up, there are other options like layout changes. So if I only want to show my face versus only showing the screen record, I have the option to do that. I can also do both with all of these different layouts within the tool. Tons of options. I also use this crop screen feature a lot, where I am able to adjust what people are looking at. So that was a bad example, but let's see here. I can zoom into my screen or maybe a portion of my screen and then click done and make this full size so I can really highlight what it is that I'm pointing to on this screen, especially with using that zoom feature as well. Once your video is created, you click finish. You can watch the entire thing, you can download it, share it, and even collect comments on your video. Just like any other video tool, once you have your camera equipment set up, it's super easy to change between cameras and microphones. In creating this tutorial, I just found there are speaker notes, so I really like this. If you want to add some of your script right to this page without switching tabs, this is a really nice feature. And honestly, the tool is just super, super easy to use. I really would recommend Tella if you have to share your screen and record yourself at the same time, because you can do so interchangeably and then go back and easily edit either version, change between versions, right? So just your face versus just the screen, and it makes it super easy. Prior to using Tella, I was editing my videos on iMovie, and I would say that editing time has been cut in half by using Tella and the clip features of being able to record bit by bit and then bringing the whole video together at the end. Definitely 2 thumbs up for Tella. I am a huge fan. Go check it out. Sorry, forgot one thing. I guess 2. 1, if you forget something, these clips make it super easy for you to add extra video onto something that you've already recorded. You can tell I closed down the studio and I'm out on my front porch when I recognize this, so I wanted to make sure that I showed you you could do that. The other thing that's really cool about clips is if you're saying something repeating in multiple videos, you can reuse that same clip. So I can click here, copy to an existing video, or copy to a new video, and I don't have to re-record anything that I already have done. In full transparency, I heard of Tella from Dan Bennett and his Video for Entrepreneurs community, a circle community with tons of spaces where you can learn, test, and upgrade your videos. I went from this to this in a matter of months once I joined the Video for Entrepreneurs Video Pros cohort. If you are ready to look and sound good on camera, no matter your confidence level or how much you know, what equipment you have, or how many videos you've made in the past, get the best tools, support, and video strategy in the Video for Entrepreneurs community.